what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today we got the first fall makeup look of the year here on my channel. I'm really excited. I know it's not fall yet, but I think it's time. I think it's time to bring out the fall colors, the mustards and the maroons and the oranges, and I just love it. And I wanted to make a video for you guys that made a very smoky and kind of vampy look, but it's not hard at all. The key is just blending, but the steps are very, very easy. So I also showed you guys what my current favorite products are, so I really hope that you guys enjoy this video and you learn from it. Remember that if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. And today's post notification shout out goes to, I have to like literally get my phone because I'm gonna say it wrong, but it's K Mahuna. K Mahuna? K Mahuna, thank you so much for having your post notifications on. Thank you for always commenting on my videos. Just know that I appreciate you, I love you, and I'm sending you kisses. And if you want to be my next post notification shout out, all you have to do is turn them on and comment when you are done. Let's get into the video.
Alrighty guys, so I'm first going to be starting out with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using these three products. So I'm first going to go in with the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Little Definer. I do have my eyebrows microbladed, so I just like to fill in the little gaps, and I like to darken them out, especially when I'm doing very like dramatic looks like this. And then I'm going to go in with the ABH Brow Powder in the shade Ebony, and I'm just going to set the brow pencil and make it a little bit darker. And then of course, just to set my eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Clear Gel, and I'm just going to put those hairs in place. And then right after that, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with some concealer. So we are going to be using the new Jaclyn Hill, the Master Collection, and also the Vault Collection. I'm going to be using Ring the Alarm. So first, I'm going to go in with the shade Rush, and I love this big fluffy brush because it's like a one and done. It really just puts the color on the crease, and I'm just going to go back and forth until I like the opacity. This look is going to be very, very simple. There's just going to be a lot of blending. So then I'm going to go in with a flat brush and take the shade Alert, which is that just very rustic dark orange, and I'm going to put that on my lid, and I'm going to go back and forth blending out the crease and then also the lid until I get the opacity again that I want. I want to make sure this looks very, very orange as it is fall vibes. And here I am just going in with the blending brush and just diffusing it. I'm also going to take that same blending brush with the shade Alert as well, just to give it more of a gradient effect and so that those two colors mix together very nicely. Okay, then with this little tiny brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Framed, which is like a plum shade, and I'm going to put that on the lash line, but I'm also going to bring it up to like the first third of the eyelid. And then what I'm going to do is go in with a fluffier little bullet brush with the same shade, and I'm going to bring it up, like I said, in the third of the eye. And then I'm pretty much going to take all the oranges and blend back and forth again until we get that plum to the orange gradient. And here I am going in with just a clean fluffy brush just to blend everything out. Now with this liner, this is a stamp liner from Lottie London. I'm just doing a very thin line. I don't want the eyeliner to show too much. I'm just doing a little line just because we are going to apply some falsies. And here I am applying my favorite falsies at the moment. And as you guys can see, it makes such a big difference. I love these lashes, and here I am putting it on the other eye, and I'm very, very happy about that. Then going in with the Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is a radiant one. They recently sent it to me, so thank you, Laura Mercier. It's beautiful. I mean, I put way too much, as you guys can tell, which looks horrible, but I just blended it out. It's really nice. It gives you a very, very luminous look, but it's also very hydrating, almost like a moisturizer. I really liked it. It made my skin feel really, really nice, and as you guys can see, the glow is real. I loved it. Then I'm going in with my Lancome Tint Idole foundation. I'll put the shade down below, and I like to use 2 pumps, put it on my face, and then with the buffing brush just buff it out. This has been my go-to foundation. It's so beautiful. It's medium to full coverage, it's very buildable, and it looks beautiful on the skin. And then even though I do love this brush, I like to go in with the sponge after, and this is the Eau Fresh sponge, which I love as well. Now, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, so good. I'm gonna, you know, highlight under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin. Guys, this concealer is no joke. It is just as full coverage as the Shape Tape, but it is more of a hydrating formula, so I really love it under the eyes. I love it. So I am gonna blend that out with the little Ofra sponge, like I said, and you guys, I mean, you guys can see the coverage is there and it's not drying at all, and there's so much product in the bottle. I have been loving this, obsessed with it, so I highly do recommend it. And then going in with my favorite powder, this is a Fit Me in the shade Fair Light. I'm going to take the little setting brush from the collection, and I'm just going to set under my eyes and then also on my smile lines where I do tend to crease a lot. Then we're going to be contouring with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I do like using that middle shade with the contour brush, and I like putting the shade like on the edge of the brush so I can get like a sharp line, and then with the dome of the brush I like to blend it. So here I am just chiseling my cheekbones, and I'm also going to be putting a little bit on the temples. I don't put it on the forehead just because my forehead is small already, but I will be bronzing on the forehead. And to bronze, I'll be using my BECCA bronzer, which I love. I will leave the shade down below as well, with the little bronzer brush. And this is such a nice bronzer. It's super pigmented, but it's very blendable. And the color is nice and dark, but not orange. I highly recommend this. I love this bronzer a lot. And then for blush, I've been loving Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. It's very pigmented, it blends well, and I am using the little blush brush. And I just love this shade because, oh, by the way, I dropped my brush. Hey! I love this shade because it looks good with warm tone or cool tone colors. It's just a nice in-between shade, so I really do like that. Oh, and I do like to put it on my nose for the sunburn look. So going in with a little brush, this is like the flat definer brush. I'm using this shade Framed in Secret and just outlining, you know, my waterline. And then going in with those two orange shades, Rush and Alert, I'm just buffing it out with a little bullet brush. And my favorite mascara at the moment is the Roller Lash by Benefit, so I'm just going to coat my lower lash lines. And then I'll be setting my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which I love. Again, such a nice product. For highlight, I have been using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey as a staple for everyone, and I'm using the little highlight brush. It's just a beautiful golden shade. I'm sure you guys know by now. I recently discovered it. I haven't used it for a long time, but I've been obsessed with it ever since. Okay, and then for lips, just apply your favorite fall lip color, and here is the look. I really hope that you guys liked it.
Okay guys, and this is the look completed. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that this eyeshadow was simple enough to recreate. I know a lot of you guys have these palettes, and for me this one was just really good, and I've been loving it, and I hope you also enjoyed just learning more about my favorite products. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and also what other fall videos you would like to see. I know it's not technically fall yet. Is it? No, it's not. But you know, I want to get those videos started because I know everybody loves fall, so why not? So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!